Meaning of investment bank.
Investment bank.
Investment bank.
Investment bank.
Investment bank. An investment bank is a financial institution that specializes in providing a range of services, including underwriting, marketing, and distributing securities, as well as providing advice on mergers and acquisitions, restructurings, and other corporate transactions. Investment banks also engage in proprietary trading and securities market-making activities, and provide a variety of asset management and other financial services to institutional investors, corporations, governments, and high-net-worth individuals. Simply put, investment banks act as intermediaries between issuers of securities and investors who are looking to buy or sell those securities on the secondary market.